with serious discrepancies present in the data regarding orphan children in the country that is being given by the central government and the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. The Apex Court has once again asked all state governments as well as the centre to ensure that the correct data is available and that all facilities are given, all aid is given to the children who have been orphaned by the COVID pandemic. The Apex Court also pulled up the West Bengal government, the Punjab government and the Jammu Kashmir government for not giving correct data. In fact, the West Bengal lawyer came under fire from the Apex Court after he argued that the data was in fact the verified data so far and that there are only 27 children who qualify for the help that is going to be given to COVID orphans. The Apex Court said that we refuse to believe that the number of children affected is so little. It is not as if there were no deaths in your state. In addition, the centre has also been asked to ensure that the PM CARES scheme, which is giving around 10 lakh rupees to COVID orphans for not only education but also to settle them later in life, a similar scheme is also extended to children who have been orphaned for reasons apart from COVID. The Apex Court has noted that its directions to ensure safety and security to children does not only extend to the COVID orphans but to all children who have lost their parents, because it is the duty of the government to make a policy and help those children. The court has also asked all states to ensure that grassroots level workers are engaged to constantly monitor the status of these children so that no child falls through the cracks, particularly in the large districts and remote areas where the child welfare committee officials who sit usually in the district headquarters cannot reach very easily. The court has suggested that ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers as well as Gram Panchayat and revenue record officials should be roped in to continuously monitor these children and ensure that all facilities and help continues to be given to them. In New Delhi, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.